Butterfly. I hope you're safe. Don't forget to say your prayers. He's always watching over you. I love you.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
My truck broke down. Could I come in and warm up? Roadside assistance is on the way.
Yeah, I don't know.
I won't be here long.
It's just that I'm home alone right now.
I understand.
Yeah, yeah, why don't you come inside and I can make you a cup of coffee while we wait.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Did I interrupt you this morning?
No, I was, just in the bathroom when you rang the doorbell. Careful, the mug gets pretty hot.
May I use your washroom?
Yeah, for sure. I'll just go in and clean it up and make sure it's ready for you.
It's fine. I'm not a clean freak.
Yeah, is it okay if I go first? I need to go too. Sorry, I'll be quick.
Then you'll miss the doorbell. Package for Ann Warner. Need a signature.
That's my mom.
All right. Just sign with your finger, kid.
My whole life, I thought my mom was crazy. Every morning and every night, say your prayers, Christian. We're not leaving until you say your prayers. He is always watching over you, Christian. If you love me, you'll come to church with me. Don't do that. That is wrong. That's a sin. You should be doing this. You should be good.
It's a heavy burden for a child, Christian.
How could she do what she did?
She believed she knew what was best for you.
She controlled my whole life.
Seems like she still does, Christian.
Yeah. Maybe it's because she left me a voicemail like this.
Don't forget to say your prayers. He's always watching over you. I love you. I'm sorry for yelling at you. I know what's best for you, but you keep sinning. Come back home and he will forgive you. Dear God, please watch over my Christian.
Christian, how many times have you listened to this message?
Why do you only care about what I do? How could you let her do that to me?
What your mother did is done. But if you're so angry about the things she's done to you, why have you let them become you? Now, when will you look inside?
I've been waiting on another day.
Press 7 to delete this message. Press 8 to hear this message again. Press nothing to save this message.